Your next car could be the 2019 Nissan Titan. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, rain-sensing wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.